Hi, everybody, and welcome to my studio. It's Lori Taylor, and today I've got a special project that I'm beginning, and it's going to be in 4 parts. And I was inspired by the Book of Hours, illuminated manuscripts back in medieval days that connected people to the moments and the hours of the day. And so to help me with this project, I found some petris. And petris are resin cast little stained glass windows that are amazing. The colors, the swirls, and these came from Myriam Zamour. Myriam with a Y. And so I thought, I can make a book with those. And so the Book of Hours was the perfect choice because the Book of Hours were miniature paintings that were illuminated in gold paint. And so I thought, I'm going to combine the resin petris with my writing and nature observations to connect to the hours of the day that nature is most vocal. And so the first one that I'm beginning with is dawn. I put the music on my frame. Now I'm using matte medium and using more of the tissue paper, covering the music, the text, all the way around. So here I have my resin cast piece, and it has been drilled and attached to the fabric and paper, and I wrote my thoughts on there. And I've got the drawings that I had made when I was sitting on my back porch, and I glued some of this rice paper on, so it does look like dawn and the mistiness of the dawn morning. So I will attach these birds to the frame. So this project involved going out and observing wildlife and recording it. I had my theme, and so it was dawn, and watched the birds and wrote the notes that I listened to them, and then took from my notes the phrases that carried the most meaning and created the poetry, the field notes that went on my piece. Between dark and light, I call the morning. I am. With breath, I call the sun. So what book of hours would be complete without the gold? I just realized gold gesso. The illuminated manuscripts with their gold. That gives it that finishing touch. Catch the light when it's in the window. The book of hours on dawn is complete. The details complete. The resin from Myriam Zamour shines through like a stained glass cathedral window. And I hear the birds who inspired this in the background. The gold reflects the light of the sun, and the birds call morning. I am. So I've got 4 pages of the Book of Hours. We started off with the dawn, then the day, and then the dusk, and then finally the evening. So these are fun projects if you're doing resin casting and you don't know what to do with your pieces. Make a book out of them.